As we age, maintaining strong joints, healthy skin, and overall vitality becomes essential. Tingling hands and weak legs can be frustrating signs of collagen loss, a key protein that keeps our muscles, skin, and bones resilient. But here's the good news: nature offers delicious, collagen-boosting fruits that can help restore strength and support senior health naturally. In this guide, we'll reveal 8 powerhouse fruits rich in nutrients that stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, and promote mobility. Whether you're 60 or beyond, incorporating these fruits into your diet can help say goodbye to discomfort and hello to renewed energy. Embrace a vibrant, active lifestyle by nourishing your body the right way, one bite at a time. Why collagen matters after 60. Unlock the secret to stronger joints and youthful skin. As we gracefully age, many of us begin to notice little changes in our bodies, aches, stiffness, or even that annoying tingling in our hands and legs. Have you ever wondered why these discomforts seem to creep in more often after we hit 60? The secret often lies in something our bodies naturally lose over time: collagen. Collagen is a vital protein that acts like the body's natural glue. It holds our skin firm and elastic, supports strong joints, and keeps muscles and bones resilient. Think of collagen as the foundation that keeps everything in place. But after 60, collagen production slows down significantly, leading to weakened joints, thinner skin, and less muscle support. This decline can cause those frustrating symptoms like weak legs or tingling hands that interfere with daily activities and reduce your quality of life. Now, here's a question to think about: if collagen is so important to your health and vitality, why do so many people overlook simple ways to maintain it? Many think collagen loss is inevitable and irreversible, but that's not the whole truth. The good news is, you have the power to support and even boost your collagen levels naturally. Starting today, imagine waking up with more energy, moving without discomfort, and looking in the mirror to see a healthier, glowing complexion. It's possible. By understanding collagen's role and taking steps to nourish your body with the right nutrients, especially through certain fruits, you can give your joints and skin the care they deserve. So, are you ready to discover the natural fruits that help replenish collagen and transform your health? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Stay with us as we explore 8 delicious, collagen-rich fruits that will help you say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs, and hello to a stronger, more vibrant you. Top 8 collagen-rich fruits you must add to your daily diet. You've learned why collagen is so important after 60, but now the real question is, how can you naturally boost it every day? The answer lies in one of the simplest pleasures in life: fresh, delicious fruits. Nature has packed these collagen-boosting powerhouses with vitamins, antioxidants, and nutrients that help your body repair and maintain that all-important collagen. So, which fruit should you be reaching for? Imagine biting into juicy berries, crisp apples, or tangy citrus fruits. Not only do they taste amazing, but they're also your body's best friends when it comes to keeping your joints strong and your skin youthful. From vitamin C-rich oranges to the antioxidant-packed blueberries, these fruits work behind the scenes to stimulate collagen production and fight off damaging free radicals. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have that natural glow and mobility, even as they age? Could their secret be as simple as the fruits they eat every day? Incorporating collagen-rich fruits into your meals isn't just a tasty treat, it's a powerful step toward feeling energized and vibrant. But here's something to think about: are you eating the right fruits to truly nourish your body, or are you missing out on key nutrients hidden in some of the lesser-known options? It's easy to stick with what you know, but expanding your fruit choices can unlock new benefits for your health that you didn't expect. By adding fruits like kiwis, pomegranates, and even avocados, you're not just indulging in nature's candy, you're feeding your body the essential building blocks it needs to keep collagen production humming. These fruits deliver vitamin C, antioxidants, and healthy fats that work together to restore strength in your skin, muscles, and joints. So, what's the next step in this journey to a stronger, healthier you? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Stay tuned as we dive into how these fruits specifically fight tingling hands and weak legs, and the best ways to enjoy them every day. How these fruits combat tingling hands, weak legs naturally. Have you ever experienced that unsettling tingling in your hands or felt your legs growing weaker, making everyday tasks feel like a challenge? These symptoms aren't just random, they often signal that your body needs more support, especially as you age. The good news? Certain fruits naturally fight these issues by helping your nerves and muscles stay strong and healthy. How do fruits play such a powerful role? Many collagen-rich fruits are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and promote nerve health. For example, vitamin C is crucial not only for collagen production but also for protecting nerves from damage. Antioxidants fight harmful free radicals that can worsen nerve sensitivity and muscle weakness. When you nourish your body with these fruits regularly, you're giving your nervous system the tools it needs to function smoothly. But here's a question to ponder: why suffer silently when nature offers delicious, natural solutions to ease tingling sensations and strengthen weak legs? Sometimes, we overlook the simple, tasty ways to improve our health and instead rely on quick fixes. What if the key to comfort and strength is just a handful of fruit away? Fruits like cherries, strawberries, and citrus fruits have long been celebrated for their anti-inflammatory properties. They help soothe nerve irritation and improve blood flow, which is essential for reducing tingling and restoring strength. Meanwhile, fruits such as avocados provide healthy fats that support nerve insulation and muscle repair, making movement easier and more comfortable. Incorporating these fruits into your diet isn't just about eating well, it's about reclaiming your independence and enjoying life without constant discomfort. Imagine waking up with hands that feel steady and legs that carry you confidently throughout the day. So, are you ready to take the next step toward natural relief and renewed vitality? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Stay with us as we share simple, delicious recipes that make adding these powerful fruits to your diet effortless and enjoyable. Delicious simple recipes featuring collagen-boosting fruits. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated, especially when it comes to boosting collagen with delicious fruits. If you've been wondering how to easily add collagen-rich fruits to your daily routine, you're in the right place. The best part? These recipes are simple, tasty, and perfect for seniors who want to enjoy every bite while supporting their joint and skin health. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant smoothie bursting with juicy berries, creamy avocado, and a splash of fresh orange juice. Not only does this combination taste amazing, but it's also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that kickstart collagen production. Or picture a refreshing salad sprinkled with pomegranate seeds and slices of kiwi, each bite bursting with nutrients that soothe inflammation and help your body rebuild strong connective tissue. Here's a question to think about: why settle for bland meals when you can enjoy colorful, nutrient-packed dishes that not only taste great but also support your body's natural repair system? Food is medicine, and these recipes prove that healthy eating can be both joyful and healing. From simple fruit bowls to easy-to-make snacks and desserts, these recipes fit perfectly into your lifestyle. You don't need fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen, just fresh fruits and a little creativity. For example, a handful of strawberries with a dollop of Greek yogurt makes a perfect collagen-boosting snack that's rich in protein and vitamin C. Or, blend up a mango and pineapple sorbet for a tropical treat that fights inflammation and keeps your skin glowing. Eating collagen-boosting fruits becomes effortless and enjoyable when you know how to prepare them in ways that excite your taste buds. These recipes not only nourish your body but also remind you that aging gracefully can be delicious. So, are you ready to discover the next delicious step on your journey to better health? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Stay tuned as we explore the powerful role of antioxidants in preserving collagen and keeping your skin radiant and youthful. The role of antioxidants in collagen preservation. Skin health. As we age, one of the biggest enemies to our skin and joints is something called oxidative stress. It might sound complicated, but simply put, oxidative stress happens when harmful molecules called free radicals damage our cells, including the precious collagen that keeps our skin firm and our joints strong. This is where antioxidants come into play, acting like tiny warriors that fight off free radicals and protect your body from premature aging and weakness. Many collagen-rich fruits are bursting with antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids. These antioxidants not only help your body produce more collagen but also protect the collagen you already have from breaking down. Think of antioxidants as a shield, guarding your skin and joints against damage caused by sun exposure, pollution, and everyday wear and tear. Here's a question to think about: if antioxidants are so vital to preserving your body's collagen, are you giving your body enough of these protective nutrients every day? It's easy to overlook the power of antioxidants because they don't show immediate effects, but over time, they help keep your skin glowing and your joints moving smoothly. Fruits like blueberries, oranges, and kiwi are excellent sources of these antioxidants. They work hard behind the scenes to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and slow down the natural breakdown of collagen. This means fewer wrinkles, less joint pain, and a more youthful appearance, simply by enjoying nature's colorful bounty regularly. By making antioxidant-rich fruits a daily habit, you're not just eating well, you're investing in your long-term health and vitality. Your skin will thank you with a radiant glow, and your joints will reward you with increased flexibility and strength. So, are you ready to discover how to combine these powerful fruits with other nutrients that supercharge your collagen levels? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Stay with us as we explore perfect food pairings that maximize your body's collagen production and keep you feeling vibrant after 60. Combining collagen fruits with other senior-friendly nutrients for maximum benefit. Eating collagen-rich fruits is a fantastic start to supporting your body after 60, but did you know that combining these fruits with other key nutrients can turbocharge their benefits? Collagen production and maintenance don't happen in isolation, they rely on a team effort from vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats to keep your skin radiant and your joints strong. For example, vitamin C found in fruits like oranges and strawberries is essential for collagen synthesis. But it works best when paired with minerals like zinc and copper, which help your body build and repair connective tissue. Adding foods rich in these minerals, such as nuts, seeds, and whole grains, can amplify the positive effects of your fruit intake. Plus, don't forget about healthy fats like omega-3s, found in fish and flax seeds, which support cell membranes and reduce inflammation around your joints. Here's a question for you to consider. Are you fueling your body with a balanced mix of nutrients that work together to support collagen, or are you focusing on just one part of the puzzle? Sometimes, we get so focused on individual foods or supplements that we forget how important it is to eat a variety of nourishing foods that complement each other. When you combine collagen-boosting fruits with these other senior-friendly nutrients, you're giving your body everything it needs to repair damage, reduce inflammation, and maintain strength. Think of it as assembling the perfect team, where each player has a unique role but works together toward the same goal, your health and vitality. In practical terms, this could mean enjoying a fresh fruit salad sprinkled with chopped nuts, or adding berries to your morning oatmeal topped with flax seeds. These small changes make a big difference over time, helping you feel more energetic and youthful. So, are you ready to learn simple lifestyle habits that support your body's collagen production every day? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Stay tuned as we reveal easy, effective tips to keep you active, healthy, and glowing well beyond 60. Lifestyle tips to support collagen production and keep you active. Taking care of your collagen levels isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you live your daily life. After 60, small lifestyle choices can make a huge difference in supporting collagen production, reducing discomfort, and keeping you moving with ease. It's not just about avoiding damage, it's about actively nurturing your body to stay strong, flexible, and vibrant. One of the most powerful ways to support collagen is through regular hydration. Drinking enough water helps maintain your skin's elasticity and flushes out toxins that can accelerate collagen breakdown. Combine this with gentle, consistent exercise, like walking, yoga, or swimming, and you boost circulation, which delivers vital nutrients to your skin and joints. Exercise also stimulates your body's natural collagen production, helping your muscles and bones stay resilient. Have you ever stopped to think about how much your daily habits influence your body's ability to produce collagen? For example, smoking and excessive sun exposure cause free radical damage that breaks down collagen faster. Protecting your skin with sunscreen and avoiding harmful habits can save your collagen and keep you feeling younger for longer. Stress management is another key factor. Chronic stress triggers inflammation, which can weaken collagen fibers. Simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or spending time in nature can lower stress and promote healing. Your body truly thrives when mind and body are in harmony. By weaving these lifestyle tips into your daily routine, you're giving your body the best chance to preserve and even boost collagen naturally. This means fewer aches, firmer skin, and more energy to enjoy the things you love. So, what changes can you make today to support your collagen and stay active well beyond 60? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Join us as we share inspiring real-life stories of seniors who transformed their health and confidence by embracing these simple, natural steps. Real-life success stories encouragement to embrace collagen-rich fruits after 60. There's something truly inspiring about hearing real stories of people just like you who have made simple changes and seen amazing results. After 60, it's easy to feel like your body is working against you, but the truth is, many seniors have transformed their health, energy, and confidence by embracing collagen-rich fruits and healthy habits. These stories remind us that it's never too late to take control of your well-being. Take Linda, for example, a 65-year-old grandmother who struggled with weak legs and tingling hands for years. She felt frustrated and limited, but when she started adding collagen-boosting fruits like berries, oranges, and kiwis to her diet daily, she noticed a remarkable difference. Not only did her joint pain ease, but her skin began to glow, and she felt more energetic to play with her grandchildren. Or consider Robert, a 70-year-old retiree who used to avoid stairs and long walks because of stiffness. After learning about the importance of collagen and antioxidants, he incorporated delicious fruit smoothies and simple lifestyle changes into his routine. Months later, he found himself hiking trails he once thought impossible. His story proves that with the right knowledge and effort, your body can respond positively, even later in life. Here's a question for you. What small change could you make today that might transform your health and vitality tomorrow? Sometimes the biggest improvements come from the simplest habits, and you have the power to start right now. These success stories highlight a crucial truth: you don't have to accept discomfort or decline as a natural part of aging. By nourishing your body with collagen-rich fruits and supportive habits, you can reclaim your strength, mobility, and confidence. So, are you ready to take that first step toward a healthier, more vibrant you? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Stay with us as we share practical tips and motivation to keep you inspired on your journey to feeling great after 60. Conclusion: strength and vitality. From easing tingling hands and strengthening weak legs to keeping your skin radiant and joints flexible, these fruits provide powerful nutrients that work wonders as you age. Combined with healthy lifestyle choices, they can help you feel more energetic and confident every day. Remember, it's never too late to nourish your body and take control of your health. So why wait? Start adding these delicious fruits to your meals today and enjoy the vibrant, active life you deserve. The journey to feeling younger and stronger begins with the choices you make now. Make them count.